All right, so still here recording this this logging. I was looking at the easiest way back, and I could either turn around, or I think the road I need to get to is right over there. Unfortunately, this truck is all up in my way, and I'm not trying to go by him. Let me walk into the woods a little bit. Got a mound from something. I don't know if that's a rock or like an old uprooted tree. Oh, much clearer over here. We get into a better spot. Oh, that's cool looking. Yeah. See this guy loading his truck? Hold on. I need to get a better view. That doesn't feel good. That was, I think, a thorn to my shin. Or at least a very uncomfortable branch. That's so cool looking. So precise too. Like precisely pick up the log and put it exactly where you want it. Oh, that one probably goes there. Yep, this is super cool right here. Dude's got a whole nother trailer, so after he fills this one, he just grabs the other stuff, maybe pulls forward a little bit. And he'll be able to fill that one. I am not sticking out here that long. I'm sticking here for like maybe 5 more minutes. Alright, we're gonna stop this video and do a horizontal video.